Hello friends, I'm back with another video. This is Aukey Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 Turbocharger. It is a wall charger, and as you can see it is from Aukey and the model number is PA-T9. And do remember to register this product on Aukey website to get the warranty. So first of all, I'll show you what are the details around the box. So we kept the color option here like black and white, so I have got the black one. You have the QR code here, and as you can see here, it is imported to India and it costs around 3,000 rupees. So we can go ahead, and it is very small factor, so I think it will be easier if you are using it as a travel adapter. You open this up, you get a user manual, and here it is showing the American ports, but we get here the Indian ports here. It's a good thing. Qualcomm 3.0 Aukey, yes, so it's a good thing. And what more, Aukey always surprises me with something else. Yes, they did. But my friends, this is a micro USB cord. They should provide USB-C. Nowadays USB-C is a common thing. Let me put this all aside, and as you can see here, it has only one port, so don't worry about it. I bought this because I have got my wireless charger to power up with quick charge technology, so this will be very helpful for me. So if you have a quick charging device, then this is a very good charger. And do remember, my friends, warp charge, dash charge, or VOOC charge, anything that comes up from China made phones that won't support this quick charge. This quick charge technology is only supported by phones that are mentioned as fast charging. If I give some examples, then this charger will support your Galaxy devices. This charger will also support your Apple devices, but this will not support Google Pixels, because I have checked out in Pixel phones that don't support this charger. I don't know why, but they are also using the Qualcomm charging technology, but their fast charging technology is something different, and this charger will not support your OnePlus phones. So that's all, my friends. If you need a quick charger for a travel, then this is a good thing. It is very small. It's smaller than this user manual. As you can see, you can carry it around your pocket or in the bag or in your purse. So it will stay there and it will help you out with charging your device very quickly. So thank you for watching, my friends. Do subscribe my channel. There are a lot of videos coming up in near future, and stay tuned. I will be sharing you a lot of details. And if you have any doubts, if you need anything to be helped, then do comments below and I will answer you out. Bye bye.